Hi, I'm Dave from MockMotion. I'm going to be giving today a demo of this used Multicam SF series router. We did a full upgrade on this machine. An upgrade means new control system, 21-inch touchscreen, all new closed loop servo steppers, new pre-wired electrical panel with a new spindle drive VFD. This machine's a 4x8 machine. It has four tool holders for an automatic tool changer. It also has an auto tool setter. Has a handheld pendant that's very handy for setting up your work and for operational. I'm going to give a quick overview here. You can load a file by just hitting recent, or in this case I'm going to hit recent, or you can load a file through Wi-Fi, Ethernet, or USB right here. So I'm just going to select the file and load it. And then one of the cool features here, I'm going to show you how you can pick up a tool and do an automatic tool set. So I'm going to go to Tools, and I'm going to pick up tool. I have tool 2 in there right now, and I'm going to pick up tool 1. It's going to do a tool change. Now, if this is a brand new tool I just installed and I wanted to go ahead and calibrate the machine's tool offset, I'm going to click Auto Measure Tool, and I'm going to press Cycle Start. And it's going to go down and touch off that tool and save that tool length into the CNC. Now that we have our tool set, I'm going to just jog it out of the way here. I'll run over my pendant here. So this machine will run 1,500 inches a minute rapids. I've already set up my tool 0, so I'm just going to press Cycle Start here. It's a 25 horsepower, 24,000 RPM spindle. I'll show you quickly how the pendant operates. You can select your axes and jog the machine with the pendant. So if you were trying to come up and zero off on a part, you can also cycle start from here. So I just started the machine. I could feed hold it, which I just feed held it. I can then I would probably walk over, hit reset, and then cycle start again, and it'll pick back up. You have a tool path here, so when you load your nest in, or whatever you're cutting, it'll show exactly what you're going to cut before you hit the cycle start button. Just a quick walkthrough. This has a magnet. I'll show you if you just want to walk around the machine here. Again, it has built-in Wi-Fi, or you can plug an Ethernet cable into it. It has all new electronics in the electrical enclosure. This system was professionally installed by MockMotion techs, and so it comes with a 1-year warranty on the control system and for replacement parts. This machine is fully supported by them. You can call in to MockMotion support, and if there's any problems or training, we can also, for an additional service visit, we can come in and train your team in how to use it. Just want to walk around here. There's the air system, and it's ready. The vacuum table is ready to hook up here in the back of the machine. This is your vacuum. You have a vacuum pump. This machine's great for sign cutting, cabinet making, really anything you can dream up of as far as the table with this vacuum. It already has the spoil board, it comes with it. It comes with 4 tool holders with collets and the tools. Mock motion controls are some of the easiest to run in the industry, supported in the US, and again, this comes with a 1-year warranty, service parts warranty. I'd love to talk to you about the machine.